Check this out. We are currently in Ohio somewhere at a Love's. Ooh, let me start this over. So anyway, earlier we had a Love's somewhere in Ohio. Now before this happened, it was nice little sunshine. It's still cold. And all of a sudden, if you see off in the horizon over there, the snow is coming. Good thing we parked until maybe Monday. But look, and the trucks are coming in, y'all. They try and get off the road. All right. I'm running out of whatever. But anyway, whatever. But look at that snow. Adios. Winter is officially here. Look at that white stuff out there. Woo!
Hey y'all. So we are in Ohio. It's cold as hell. Last night it went down to 0. Anyway, I needed comfort food. So I made, don't look at my kitchen because it's a mess while I'm cooking, a pot of chili. I like my chili thick and hearty. Mmm. Thick and hearty. Charles. Didn't God warn you twice today already?
Yeah, times.
Y'all, that's another story. Anyway, so I made this big pot of chili. So me and Charles are creatures of habit. We will eat off of this the rest of the week. But I'm also going to make a pot of chicken and shrimp stir fry. So I'm going to put this in the bowl, put it in there for let it cool down, and then I'm going to make chicken and shrimp stir fry. All right, see y'all in a minute.
Hey y'all, check this out.
I fucking hate you right now. Such an asshole.
Hey y'all, check this out. Look, this is the stir fry.
That is, first of all, that is
we
not
lost.
how I talk.
Listen, I'm trying to do a video, ma'am.
He lost my stir fry video.
Uh-huh. And here we go. We making a new one. Look at that. Look at the veggies and the shrimps. Got some chicken in there.
That's enough. You only doing it because you're in the doghouse. Just end the damn video.
No, it look good, don't it, y'all? Mm-hmm.
And it go over white rice.
Yeah, we go with some white rice. Stir fry with some white rice. Sounds delicious.
Okay, Charles. Okay. Oh, Boogie Boo. Come on. You like your hat? Hey. Don't you take my stuff off. Don't you take it off. Come on. Come on. Right here. Come into the mirror. Wait, come right here. Oh, look at her. She looks so cute. You need to make her walk this way. She looks so cute. Come on, Charles. Daisy. Go, Daisy. Go. Go. Come on. Go, Deja. Go. Go.
She feeling it now.
She want that hat off her head. She trying to take. Come on. Get out of there. Come on. She was mad earlier when I put. Come on, Deja. Look at her. She's trying to get that hat off her head. Come on, Deja. Get out of there. You can't take it off because I tied it on you. Come on. Look how stupid she looking now. You can't take your hat off. Deja. Do you remember how when we was in the snow in Indiana, you kept holding your paws up in the air? Deja. It's not going to come off. Girl. Stop.
Was you supposed to be trying to get a hold of Nick again?
Mm-hmm. How's on recording?
Deja. He looks so cute. Check out her dig. Boogie nothing.
Come on. You like your hat? Go, Deja. Go.